Flashy flip phone. It is a unique phone created by Ulrich Larsen which are able to work separately when using different applications. According to the creators, this unusual design allows the phone to be a convenient book, a stand for viewing photos, or a desktop, or an alarm clock, or if you have the sudden desire to work on a tiny-looking laptop. If you unfold this smartphone like a book, you can use one of the screen like a keyboard for convenient typing. Each of the flip's 3 sides are connected by steel mesh links, so snapping it apart comes as no easy feat. And with the front-facing video camera, shifting the flip back into the triangular shape means hands-free video chatting. According to the creator, the possibilities of this device are endless. You can buy this device for $199. Zanco S-Pen. Can you imagine a phone that looks like a pen can be used as a headset and is incredibly portable, versatile, and useful? Well, take a look at the Zanco S-Pen. This is the world's thinnest mobile right now that works up to 6 days on a single charge. It is the combination of a phone, Bluetooth headset, stylus pen, voice recorder, laser pointer, and much more. The Zanco S-Pen is really not designed to replace traditional smartphones. Instead, this phone has all the daily essential functions like calling, messaging, camera, MP3, MP4, and many more interesting features. In addition, it comes with 13 types of voice changers to make a little fun with this device. You can buy this device at a low price of $50. Cat S62 Pro. The Cat S62 Pro is mainly designed for construction workers and for people in industrial fields. According to the creators, this gadget is the world's first smartphone with a built-in thermovision camera. The device allows you to detect the heat leakage in rooms and overheating in areas of electrical wiring, measure the temperatures of various objects, and even can see in the dark and through smoke. The camera has a range of up to 100 feet and can take photos and videos. Not only these cool feature, and another advantage of this device is its resistance. Thanks to a hard and strong body of this phone, it can survive the 6-foot drop like it's nothing. And it is also water resistant. It could survive the 16 feet of dunking into the water and can still work just fine. Due to its durability, it is the best phone for the rough and tough usage. You can buy this phone for $600. SCIO Inside. This is the world's first smartphone that comes with the molecular sensors that scans objects and determine their main characteristics. The phone comes with a near-infrared spectrometer. It can identify the taste and can differentiate between sugars and fats, proteins and carbohydrates, and even pills. The inbuilt app of the smartphone allows you to scan everything from fruits to medicines and even metals. In addition, the gadget comes with 8-core processor and a 6-inch Full HD display and a powerful battery and a 16-megapixel camera. The price of this smartphone is $435. Nubia Alpha. This is the world's strangest smartwatch. The Nubia Alpha is a smartphone that fits right on your wrist. It is equipped with 4.01-inch flexible OLED display. With this smartphone you can able to make calls. The phone comes with sports and health monitoring sensors that allows you to replace your Fitband. This phone comes with a 5-megapixels camera, which allows you to take photos and videos, and a 500 mAh battery that lasts up to 48 hours on a single charge. The phone has an internal storage of 8 GB of storage, which is little enough for photos and media. It comes with a 2100 Snapdragon processor with only 1 GB of RAM. The additional features of this device are, it comes with mid-air gestures for convenient usage. You can get this flexible smartphone for $540. Lenovo Smartcast. This is the world's first smartphone that comes with a laser projector, projecting multimedia content on any surface. It is the only smartphone that turns any surface into a virtual touch screen. This can be used to project a large virtual touch screen onto a table, to type with a virtual keyboard for better productivity. Since the projector can be rotated easily, it can also be used to watch movies, for presentation, or even play games using hang gestures on the table or cast onto the wall. It can project the image on any surface with a HD resolution of 720p. You can project content onto the wall while viewing different content simultaneously on the smartphone screen, and also has a built-in kickstand. In addition, Smartcast has an infrared motion sensor, capable of catching the position of your hands in front of the smartphone. ZTE Hawkeye. This smartphone comes with a 5.5-inch Full HD display, and is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 625 processor, along with 3 GB of RAM. Then what is the feature of the smartphone, you ask? The tracking technology used by the cameras and sensors, thus the user can control the smartphone without touching the screen. For example, flipping pages or browsing photos with the help of an eye movement, which is very convenient. As far as the cameras are concerned, the ZTE Hawkeye on the rear packs 13-megapixel camera and an 8-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. The price of this futuristic smartphone is $200. Project Era. This is a modular smartphone project by Google. Project Era was intended to consist of hardware modules, providing common smartphone parts such as processors, displays, batteries, and cameras, as well as modules providing more specialized components. This futuristic design would allow the user to upgrade a device over time with new capabilities and upgrade it without requiring the purchase of an entire new device. This provides a longer life cycle for the device and potentially reducing electronic waste. In simple words, you can upgrade your mobile's camera, battery, processor, and display as simple as you change your t-shirt. But, unfortunately, the project was cancelled by Google. However, the concept had been revised, resulting in a base phone with non-upgradable core components and modules providing supplemental features. Zenfone AR. The Zenfone AR's priority is augmented reality in virtual reality. It is the world's first smartphone, consists an inbuilt software called Tango and Google Daydream. Tango is a set of sensors and computer vision software that gives the Zenfone AR to understand space and motion like humans. And Daydream is a virtual reality platform for mobile devices. The Asus Zenfone AR sports a 5.7-inch Super AMOLED display. It uses a metal frame and has a leather back. The highlight of the Zenfone AR is the TriCam setup, which consists of the primary camera, a motion sensing camera, and a depth sensor. This allows the Zenfone AR to create a three-dimensional model of its surroundings and can track its motion. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 821 processor, along with 8 GB of RAM. You can buy this device for about $890. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to TechSave.